Hi guys, welcome to Newbie Tech. This is the same channel with the name Auto Detective that I have changed it to Newbie Tech. Hope you like the new name. If you do like the new name, please tell me in the comment section below. So, today we are going to unbox and review this cool looking watch from Sonata. That is the RPM edition watch, and obviously it is not a promotional video, and this watch was bought by me from a Titan showroom nearby. So as you can see the box with the name Sonata written on it. The box itself is a decent quality box. If we see the bottom, there's a recycled symbol on the bottom, which means that this was recycled. So if we open the box, we see a polythene cover that contains the links of the chain of the watch. And now if we see, it is the watch, it is a very beautiful looking watch. Let's keep it aside, or if we proceed to talk about it, it has a metal chain of good quality. We also get Sonata branding at the buckle of the watch, and the buckle mechanism is also good quality. It gets a Z type buckle, and the gauge of the chain is also very good. I have been using this for a while now, we can say almost 2 months, so it will also be a detailed long-term review of the watch. So let's keep the watch aside and see the contents of the box now. uh, as of the chain links I was talking about, I have gotten them removed. They are not extras, to get a nice fitting on my wrist so that the watch can fit me perfectly and it doesn't move around. So these are the links that I have got removed. There are total 4. So let's keep it back. So after the pouch, if we see the contents of the box, there is a warranty card that I'll be showing shortly. So this is the warranty card of the watch that we get. uh, the warranty card is too brief, it only says a few points so briefly. So that's the product ID, that's the date, and that's the, I don't know, whatever they have wrote from the store. So if we open the warranty card, there is a brief note about the warranty period and all the stuff. It only says 2 points brief, with such a long paragraph, and briefly it only refers to 2 points. The points are that if the watch is not functioning well and if it's a manufacturing defect from the company itself, it will be replaced or repaired by the company with no extra charges on us, only in that case. But if it is a user defect or a false operation by the user or the owner of the watch, and if you got it to a third party mechanic or anyone else, the warranty will not be applied on your watch and you will get no replacement or no repair free of cost. You will have to pay the prices that will apply to the repairs of the watch. Now as you can see, the bill of the watch is right here with the name of the store and all. And now as you can see, I have bought the watch for 1275 rupees only, and according to me, at the price what it is coming, it is a value for money watch. But let's keep all this aside, and let's talk about the main deal. So now let's close this and keep it aside for a minute. If you also stay up to the video till last, I will also tell you a trick where you can buy the watch for lesser than 1275 rupees that I have paid. So let's keep all the stuff aside and talk about the watch. The watch, so the watch, as you can see, comes with a dial in a red and white color, and seconds needle in the red color, and the grey boxy texture in the background. The reason of the watch dial being red and white and all that sporty stuff is because it is an RPM edition watch. It means it is derived from the RPM meter of the bikes or the cars. As you can see, the name of the RPM edition says out loud. This was one of the reasons that I went and bought the watch, because I love bikes and cars. So I liked the design how they made it. So if you can see the metal quality of the belt, it is quite good and thick, and it doesn't also feel too heavy. So we also have a different I mean settings to set your wrist size, so that the watch can fit you perfectly. So the watch gets a Z-type mechanism that also locks well, and it can be quite tight in the starting, but it will be loose as you use it for a while. So if we could talk about the tech and dimensions of the watch, it comes with a 3 AMT water resistance. So it is water resistant for only an extent, which is splash proof, and it will be okay in the rain, and if you also wash your hands wearing it, it will also retain that. But you can't swim or keep it in underwater for long. It will affect the watch, and it may result in malfunction of the watch or complete breakdown of the watch. All the width and dimensions of the watch will be given on the screen. You can see that if you want to compare it with the wrist size and all. So this is the dimensions, width, and the material of the watch, and all the technical points about the watch, as you can see on your screen now. These are all the specifications of this particular watch. Now, as of the back of the watch, we can see the Sonata logo and the same branding again, and with the product code, etc. Overall, it's a very good watch for teenagers, school going and college going students like me. Even I wear it to the college every day, and it is suitable for any age group of men. If you want to give to anyone, it will suit them, and it doesn't feel heavy, and it is also comfortable and convenient. But it is a scratch magnet. Believe me, it gets scratches very easily, but it is not quite visible unless you see it from up close. Even the outer rings of the watch keeps getting small dents as it takes all the beating. So as I told you, that I will tell a trick to buy the watch for even cheaper, that is less than 1275 rupees, and this is the way to do it. You need to install the World of Titan app from the Play Store or App Store, wherever you want, and then and you should add the watch into your cart. This is the model number and the name of the watch. This is applicable on all watches in the app. And as soon as you add the watch to your cart, just go to the coupon section and type in app 400. You will get an additional discount of 200 rupees from the app. The watch is actually 1275, but in the app it is hiked of 100 rupees, that is 1325. But as soon as you apply this coupon, you will get a additional discount of 200 rupees on this offer, by which the rate of the watch comes down to 1125 rupees only, with an additional discount of 100 rupees even on the MRP that is available in the offline market. So I hope you liked the video, and the tip I gave you, I think it's worth a like and a subscribe for the channel, and stay subscribed for more such videos, and press the bell icon to never miss an update when I upload a video. The photos of the watch in this video are clicked by me and also edited by me. If you want any such edits, you can DM me on Instagram on Newbitech. So until next time, take care. Bye bye.